Solve by factorising 3x squared plus 13x plus 4 equals 0. So it's a slightly harder question because we've got a number that is the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. So we've got a number in front of x squared. So it may mean that I need to draw multiple grids, or I'm just going to have to think about my grid a little bit more. So I know that this is 3x squared, which means that it's got to be 3x and x. So it's a nice question so far because 3 is a prime number. It can only be 3x times x. I know it's going to be the positive 4 over here. Now, if I list my factor pairs of 4, 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. This is where I need to start thinking. So if I use the 1 and 4, so if I put the 1 and 4 in, I'm going to end up with 4 times 3x, which is 12x, and x times 1, which is x. And does that make 13x? This one, it actually has made 13x straight away. If it didn't, I'd need to swap the 1 and 4 round and check that that worked. If that didn't work, I'd need to try the 2 and 2. But I've been lucky this time, I've got it straight away. So I've got 3x plus 1 times x plus 4 is equal to 0. So I've got two numbers that times together to equal to 0. So either 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. And if I do my little balance method on these, I take away 1, 3x equals negative 1, divide by 3, x equals negative 1 over 3. Or take away 4 on the other side, on the other balance method, x equals negative 4. So again, I've got two solutions. One's negative 1 over 3 and one is negative 4.